Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, CBG Motorsports. I'm Colin.
I'm Gavin, and this is our project BMW C3.
I hope everyone's had a good last few weeks of summer. I know we have, and that's why we have not posted lately.
Today we are going to be doing a video on swapping out the lower control arm bushings. We got some solid polyurethane bushings from bimmerbum.com, and we're going to swap them today.
Since they've been on the car for 20 years, we are going to spray them with some PB Blaster to help ease the process.
To let that soak in for a couple hours and replace the parts in the afternoon. With very little effort, this came out. You can see that it is dry and rotting. It was not doing its job.
This is what remains of the bearing. We tried to use some gear pullers to get it off, but there was not much to bite on. Some vice grips and some twisting got the job done.
Make sure you have the old one because the left and right are angled different and you need to know which part to use.
That's good. Alright, that's probably good. Alright. The bushings come with lubricant, and you're going to want to put some on your finger. Let's put it on the control arms. According to Bimmer forums, the lollipop bolts require 34 foot-pounds of torque. The fit was really tight, and it took a while, so we didn't have any of it on camera. We wound up having to use a hammer to get it into place.
The driver's side is exactly the same.
This seems to me new because it came out intact, but it still proved very difficult to pull off the controller.
All 20-year-old BMWs need lower control arm bushings. If you haven't done this already, it's not that hard.
As you saw in the video, it requires a little bit of effort and can be done in your own driveway.
Now, the car drives much better.
When we installed the wheels, we noticed a steering wheel vibration. We thought that these wheels were from a 3 Series, but it turns out they're from a BMW X5. They're not hub-centric. This little ring changed everything. If you are chasing a vibration, make sure your wheels are hub-centric. Well, that's it for this video. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and tell all your friends. Your support is very much appreciated.